Hi everyone, I'm Miss Shellie, the Children's Librarian at the Madisonville branch of the St. Tammany Parish Library, and we are just about to start summer reading with a Tails and Tales theme, and so we're all about animals this summer. So today I wanted to share a fun craft with you. It's a lion mask. So it's simple and easy to make, and I'll show you how. So for this craft, you'll need tape, a glue stick, and either a popsicle stick or a pencil or a crayon or something round, a paper plate. I have 3 colors of paper, orange, yellow, and brown. But if you want to make your lion a different color, it's completely up to you, and a pair of scissors. So the first step to make our mask is to cut into our plate, and you may need a grown-up's help for this. It's fun to make art together. And when you cut in, you want to make sure that you leave a little lip here so that you can glue on your lion mane. So we're just going to cut all the way around. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just cut it around because you're going to cover it up with that paper so it can be a little off, a little wonky. So we're just going to take that circle, and I'm going to put mine to the side because I don't need it. I'm going to take my plate and I'm going to tape up where I cut it. There we go, and that doesn't have to be perfect either because it's going to get covered with our mane. So the next steps are really simple. All you do is take your glue stick, put a little glue on the end, and glue it right on the edge of your plate. And you can do it in a pattern if you'd like. You can do... For my mask, I could do orange, yellow, and then brown all the way around. Or you can mix it up. Sometimes it's fun to just let your creativity go. So you do that and you repeat it all the way around. I've created one that's a little bit over halfway done so you could see what it looks like. So here we go, and as you can see, there I just did random papers all the way around. You can do whatever you like and whatever colors you like. And you can do one layer and then add a few more if you'd like. We're just going to do a few of these. You can take your time. And just stick those on. And if you want to make a really full mane, you can add in some extra papers on top of this one to cover up the little spots where your plate shows through, but you don't have to do that. So now that our mane is gone all the way around the plate, we're going to curl it. Okay. So all you do, I prefer the popsicle stick because it makes a little bit more of a crease than the pencil, but anything works. So you just roll it up, and then let it go. Isn't that fun? And this is good for fine motor skills for our little ones. You just go all the way around. And some can be curlier than others. That's not a problem. And you just go all the way around until your mask looks like this one. And you're ready to roar. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget about Tales and Tales Summer Reading Challenge for all ages, children, teen, and adult, at your St. Tammany Parish Library. Thank you.